Welcome back to Daily English Dose. If you can hear my voice right now, that means you didn't quit. And that already makes you different. Today is day 4 of our speaking challenge, and I want to tell you something first. If you can ask for directions in English, you can survive almost anywhere in the world. Airports, hospitals, offices, interviews, travel, new cities. Directions are everywhere. But most learners freeze. They know the words, but their mouth doesn't move. Not anymore. Today, we train your real-life English. No grammar pressure, no fear, no perfection. Just clear speaking. By the end of today's lesson, you will confidently say things like asking someone for help, understanding where to go, and giving simple directions without panic. And yes, you will repeat after me. Twice. Calmly. Clearly. But before we start, let me ask you something. Have you ever stood on a road or inside a building wanting to ask someone something in English and you didn't? I know. Most people don't. Not because they're weak, but because no one trained their mouth. English is not learned by watching. English is learned by speaking. That's why this channel exists. This is not a lecture. This is not a class. This is your daily speaking gym. And today, we train directions. When I say a sentence, you repeat after me. If you make a mistake, good. That means you're learning. If your voice shakes, keep going. That's how confidence is built. And one more thing. If you are serious about improving your English, subscribe to Daily English Dose, because consistency changes everything. All right. Day 4 begins now. Let's start speaking. All right, let's practice together. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. Just speak. Repeat after me. Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, can you help me? Good. Keep going. Can you tell me how to get to the bus stop? Can you tell me how to get to the bus stop? Nice. That sounded clear. Is this the way to the market? Is this the way to the market? Very good. I'm looking for the nearest bank. I'm looking for the nearest bank. Relax, you're doing fine. Now let's practice giving directions. Go straight ahead. Go straight ahead. Yes, again. Turn left at the corner. Turn left at the corner. Good job. Turn right after the signal. Turn right after the signal. That was strong. It's next to the hospital. It's next to the hospital. Nice and clear. It's opposite the school. It's opposite the school. Perfect. It's not far from here. It's not far from here. See? Easy. Now, let's do a real-life mini-conversation. You speak after me. Excuse me, where is the post office? Go straight and turn left. It's next to the bank. Thank you so much. You're welcome. That was really good. Let's repeat the full flow once more, calmly. Excuse me, where is the post office? Go straight and turn left. It's next to the bank. Thank you so much. You're welcome. You just completed a real English conversation. If you felt nervous at first and better at the end, that means it's working. Comment practice task. Write one sentence asking for directions. Just one. So let's go a little deeper. Repeat after me. Excuse me, could you please help me? Excuse me, could you please help me? Very nice. How can I get to the nearest hospital? How can I get to the nearest hospital? Good. Slow is perfect. Am I going in the right direction? Am I going in the right direction? Yes, that sounded natural. Now let's practice listening style answers. Yes, you're going the right way. Yes, you're going the right way. Good. No, you need to go back. No, you need to go back. That's okay. Keep going. Go straight for 2 minutes. Go straight for 2 minutes. Clear and confident. You will see it on your left. You will see it on your left. Nice. Now let's add distance phrases. It's very close. It's very close. Good. It's a little far from here. It's a little far from here. Perfect. It will take 5 minutes. It will take 5 minutes.
Well done.
Now, let's practice checking directions. So I go straight, then turn right? So I go straight, then turn right? Excellent question. Yes, that's correct. Yes, that's correct. Good. No, turn left, not right. No, turn left, not right. Nice correction. Now, one long, natural conversation. Excuse me, could you help me? I'm looking for the nearest ATM. Go straight and turn right at the corner. It's opposite the pharmacy. Is it far from here? No, it's very close. Thank you. I really appreciate it. You're welcome. That was smooth. Let's repeat the key confidence lines once more. Excuse me, could you help me? How can I get to the nearest place? Go straight and turn left. It's opposite the building. Thank you so much. If you practiced out loud, you are already ahead of most learners. Comment task. Write one full direction sentence, like, go straight and turn left. Subscribe to Daily English Dose. Daily practice builds real English. See you in day 5.